Hi, in the last one, I forgot to change the name. Oh, I, f- I forgot to change the name. Oops, I didn't this time. We're going to go over if-else syntax. Okay, so those Boolean expressions, you use them all over the place. You use them in while loops, you use them in for loops, you use them in if statements, and there are a couple other places, but those are the main places that we're using them. So, if statements allow you to control the flow of your program. Let me get scanner out of here. If statements allow you to control the flow of your program. So if you want to do something, if someone has a driver's license, like can drive, like if they can drive, let them drive. If not, take their car away or something. I don't know. You know what I mean? That is what an if statement's for. So let's say I make an integer int. Actually, let me start out with this. I'm going to say if, and I'm going to system out print line. Yo. Okay. I'm going to run this code. Oops, let me resume. I'm going to run this code, and I get an error, illegal start of expression. So that is because I do not have a Boolean expression in here. You have to put a Boolean expression in here. It has to resolve to either true or false. So I'm going to put true in here, and we're going to see what happens. Just true on its own. What do I do? System. Okay. So I put true in here, and this prints out. If statements only run if their condition is true. Okay? Only if their condition is true. If I were to change this to false, we get nothing. The code will get to here, and it will say, oh, this is false. Skip everything that's in these curly braces. And it moves on, and there's nothing else. Okay? So what if I have a variable, Boolean, x equals true. I put x in here, and because x is true, it'll run this. So you can put variables in here, you can put all sorts of stuff. What if x is, let me make another one. What if I say int k equals 7? I can say k is less than 7. And this will ask a question. Is k less than 7? If k is less than 7, it will return true. And if k is not less than 7, it will return false. So will yo print out? Nope, nothing. Because 7, which is what k is not less than 7. So this turns into false. Make sense? Okay. So other things that you can do are you can say, are these two things equal? Double equals. You can say, is this thing greater than? Is this thing less than? Is this thing greater than or equal to? Is this thing less than or equal to? These are all things that you can do to compare two things. So let's use x is greater than or equal to, oh, I'm sorry, not x. K is greater than or equal to 4. This should run. Nice. Okay. So what if I wanted this one and this one to be true at the same time? I need x to be true. Actually, let me rename these as like real things. Has hair, that's my favorite one. Has hair is equal to true, and int age equals 7. Let's do 87 actually. Okay. So if somebody has hair and they're 87 years old, let's say, yo, nice job beating male pattern baldness. Yo. All right. So, whoa. So, what we can do is we can say has hair has to be equal to true, and age has to be, let's say, greater than 50. If you're over 50 and you still have hair, yo, nice job beating male pattern baldness, yo. Okay. And it does print out. Has hair equals true. This asks a question. Does has hair equal true? It does. So this is true. Age is greater than 50. Age is greater than 50. So this is true. What's true and true? It's true. So this runs. If instead what I did was has hair equals false, when I run this, nothing will print out. So here is our issue. Has hair equals true is not the case. Has hair does not equal true. In fact, has hair is false. So we have false, not because has hair is false, but because has hair doesn't equal true. If I put spaghetti in here, it would still be false because has hair would have to equal true. So this is false. Age is greater than 50. That's still true. False and true turns out to be false. So this does not run. So this is Boolean algebra. This is this breaking down and going until we just get a single value. So that's nice. I can have multiple if statements. I can say, what if I did something like if has hair equals false and age is less than, age is less than 25, say something like, dang, I feel bad for you, bro. That stuff sucks. So if hair is equal to false and you're less than 25 years old, this will run. So it actually checks both of these, right? So I can run this. So, oh, I didn't change these. So I'm going to change this to 25. Actually, I'm going to change this to 20. So I hit run, and you notice neither of these run. Okay. So that's a little bit of an intro to if-else statements. I will do, I was going to do else and else if in here, but I think I'm just going to do another video on those, and yeah, that'll be perfect. Oh, actually, no, I'll do a video on this one. Okay, cool. I'll see you in the next one.